Hi everybody, I'm making sweet and sour chicken. I have one large chicken breast, it's about a pound. I cut it into small bite-sized chunks like this, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to mix this together, thoroughly combine, and set it to the side. I have a bowl. I'm adding a half a cup of ketchup. The next two ingredients are exact. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons each of white sugar and white vinegar. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And that's going to be your sauce for the sweet and sour. Mix this well to combine and set it to the side. I have a bowl with a half a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg. I'm also going to add 6 tablespoons of cold water. Now, because certain areas are drier than other areas, the water could be adjusted. Make sure it's thick like this, like a thick pancake batter. And then you're going to add your chicken. You're going to add all your little chicken chunks and coat them well. So right here I have a half of an onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper. I'm going to cut them up into chunks like this, big chunks, like this. So now I'm going to get a skillet with hot canola oil or vegetable oil. I have it on a medium heat. And I'm adding my chicken chunks one at a time. That's real important because they will clump up together if you put them all in at one time. So you're going to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then you want a bowl with some paper towels off to the side, and you're going to add your cooked pieces, and you're going to add them to your bowl on your paper towels so that they can drain the excess oil. So now I have a wok. You don't need a wok to make this recipe, but I have a wok. I have 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and I'm adding my vegetables. I'm going to stir fry them for 2 minutes. Then I'm adding my chicken. I'm going to mix this together, and then I'm going to come in with my sauce that I made earlier. And I'm going to cook this, stir frying this, for 2 more minutes. And that's it. That's it for this recipe. This came out super good. It was a very tasty sauce. And it's so colorful and beautiful. And of course, I made some steamed rice as a side dish. So this is my sweet and sour chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.